back to Toyscoveries. In my previous video, we talked about recycling and what are some materials that we can recycle. And we did that with the help of this big orange truck. In this video, I promised that I would unbox Peppa Pig and her grandpa's train to help us learn a little more recycling and have a little bit of fun. Well, I couldn't do it with just Peppa, her grandpa, and George. I thought we'd also unbox these. So let's unbox this one over here. This is the first friend of Peppa's that we unboxed, and it's Freddy Fox. And this is what he looks like when you take him out of the box. So we'll put him here, and he also comes with a little chicken. And his shirt has a little chicken on it too. Our second box is this one over here, and it's Susie Sheep. So this is Susie Sheep. And this is what she looks like out of the box. And it's one of Peppa's friends. And she comes with a little pet that looks like a hamster, I think. We're gonna set her over here. We're gonna set her down with her hamster. And we have Grandpa Pig, Peppa Pig, and her brother George. And they're all going to help us learn about recycling in this video. They're going to find different items around that can be recycled. They're going to put it in a recycling dumpster. And then the recycling truck is going to come and take the recycling dumpster and take it to the recycling center. So let's begin. We are back, and Peppa Pig and her grandpa and her little brother George are going to go around town and see if they can find things that can be recycled. Oh, first Grandpa sees this hamster. Do you guys remember the hamster when we opened up the box? It was Susie Sheep's hamster. Let's see what might be in this Lego. Oh, so there's something in here. It's a sock. It's an old sock. This is a textile. It's a piece of clothing. This can be recycled by donating it to somebody in need. That is awesome. Thank you, hamster. Would you like to hop in? Hop in the train. We'll put you right here. A dump truck. And it has something in its bucket. Let's see. It's a piece of plastic. Plastic can be recycled as well. We'll put that in the bin. There it is. It's in the bin. Now let's move on. Thanks for recycling the plastic piece, dump truck. See you later. Let's see what else we can find on the other side. Oh, we see Susie going down the slide here. Whee! Whee! Hi, Susie. Do you have anything for recycling? I see a car here. A toy car. If you're not using any of your toys, you can recycle them by donating them to different organizations or to other people that are in need of toy cars instead of throwing it away. How awesome. Thank you, Susie. Can Peppa and George try the slide? Let's see. Whee! Now George. Whee! Okay, now let's get back on the train so all of us can go search for more recycling materials. Here you go, Susie. You can sit with Peppa. And George can sit in the back. There we go. Okay, thank you, Elephant Slide, for recycling. Oh, there's also this car. What might be under the car? It's an orange car, and under the orange car, there is a piece of paper and a piece of cardboard. These materials can both be recycled by putting them in the recycling bin. Wow! So let's put them in the recycling bin. There we go. They're in there. Thank you, car, for recycling. Off he goes. Oh, what's this? It's a little chicken. Oh, and Freddy Fox is up there. What are you doing up there? Oh, you're holding an electronic wire. This can be recycled as well, but we never throw these in the bin. These, we take them to an electronics store where they can recycle them properly. Electronics and computers and such should not be thrown in the recycling bin. They should always be taken to an electronics center, and they could tell you where you can recycle these materials properly. So we won't put it in the bin. We will put it on the side and later take it to an electronics store. Thank you, Freddy Fox. What else do you have in that box? Let's see. Come on down and sit in the train with us. There you go. Let's see what else is in this box. Oh, a plastic bag. Plastic bags should always be recycled. You see this? It's the recycling sign. Whenever you see this sign on any packaging, you should always clean them properly and recycle them. Like this bag. This is a plastic bag that's been folded, and we're going to put it in the recycling bin as well. It's in there. Let's move on. What might be in this box where the chicken is sitting at? Freddy Fox, is this your chicken? I think so. We'll put him back here with the hamster to hang out together. Let's see what else is in the big box. Oh, you guys, this is a glass bottle. Glass can also be recycled, but remember, not broken glass. Any glass you recycled should be intact. Like glass bottles, they can be put in the recycling bins. Thank you, Freddy Fox, for pointing us towards another recycling material. We'll put that in the bin as well. It's getting jam-packed. Now let's go over some of the materials that we've recycled so far. We got plastic, we got glass, we got paper and cardboard, we got electronics and computers, textiles like clothing, and used toys and things that we don't need. What else could be missing? Do you hear something? Hello, Zoe Zebra. What do you have on your car? It seems like you have a piece of metal. Metal can also be recycled. So we're gonna put this in the recycling bin with the rest of our materials that we found. And now everything's in the bin. Thank you, Zoe, but since you have your own car, you can follow us in the back instead of jumping on. So now that they've collected all the recycling in the bin, the recycling truck is gonna come pick the bin up. Oh, I think it's coming. Hello, guys. You have recycling for us to pick up? Sure we do. We have a whole bin right here. Okay, we're gonna turn around the truck now. First, they're gonna throw the bottle in. In you go. And then the bag, the plastic bag, his assistant is gonna turn the knob. And now they're gonna push together the bin so it can be loaded onto the truck. Now that they've loaded the recycling bin, they're gonna step away and the truck is gonna do its job. This is gonna lift up. We're gonna twist and turn this, and now our recycling bin is empty. And everything is clear. Now, all the recycling should be in this big truck back here. Yep, everything we recycled is in the big truck. and it's ready to go to the recycling center. How awesome was that? I hope you had fun learning about recycling with Peppa Pig and her friends. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Toyscoveries for more fun educational videos like this one. Until the next one, guys. Bye!